Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're looking at the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster Handheld Vacuum, a model that promises to bring convenience and power to your cleaning routine. This cordless handheld vacuum packs in a lot of functionality, from extra-long crevice tools to advanced suction power, making it ideal for a wide range of cleaning tasks. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. This handheld vacuum features an impressive 4x more suction power than BLACK+DECKER's leading models, which sounds promising right out of the gate. With this extra boost in power, the vacuum aims to tackle tough messes, from dust and debris to more stubborn dirt in hard-to-reach places. The design is sleek and compact, which is great for handheld use, making it easy to grab and go for quick cleanups. It's powered by a cordless battery, so you'll have the freedom to clean without being tethered to an outlet, adding to the convenience factor. One of the standout features is the extra long crevice tool, which allows you to clean those tricky spots, like between couch cushions, under furniture, or even in your car, without breaking your back. Now, in terms of filtration, this model uses a washable filter. For best results, it's recommended that the filter be replaced every 6 to 9 months, or when it's worn out. This maintenance tip is essential for keeping the vacuum performing at its best. The vacuum also supports multiple models, which adds flexibility if you own other BLACK+DECKER dustbusters. In real-world usage, this vacuum truly shines when it comes to versatility. The 4x suction power is noticeable, especially when cleaning areas that would otherwise require a lot of effort with a lesser handheld model. Whether you're dealing with fine dust on hard floors or crumbs stuck in carpet fibers, the extra suction power makes a significant difference. However, it's worth mentioning that while the vacuum is excellent for small to medium-sized messes, larger messes may require a more robust, full-sized model. The weight is manageable, making it easy to use for longer sessions without fatigue, and the design is ergonomic enough for comfort, but the handheld size does limit its range if you're looking to clean larger areas quickly. Moving on to attachments, the extra long crevice tool is, without a doubt, a game changer for cleaning narrow spaces. It lets you access those tight corners and gaps that are usually difficult to reach without the need for a bulky upright or canister vacuum. That said, the tool's design could be a bit more versatile to handle multiple types of debris, especially pet hair. While it works great for crumbs and dust, it struggles slightly with thicker pet hair or hair wrapped around the brush roll, which could be an issue for pet owners. Battery life is another consideration. For quick, short cleaning jobs, the battery will do just fine, but you may find that the runtime starts to dip when you turn the suction up to full power for tougher messes. Cordless vacuums often come with this trade-off, so if you're planning on using this for extended sessions, you might have to recharge more often. When it comes to noise levels, this vacuum is relatively quiet, which is a big plus if you're sensitive to sound or need to clean during quiet hours. It's not completely silent, of course, but it's quieter than some other handheld models that can feel almost deafening during use. The noise level feels balanced for a cordless vacuum in this price range. Now, for the real-world testing, using the dustbuster in various scenarios showed both strengths and weaknesses. On hard floors, it performs admirably, picking up dust and small debris with ease. It's also great for cleaning car interiors, especially with that long crevice tool. However, on thicker carpets, it struggles a bit more. The suction power, while more robust than standard handheld vacuums, still doesn't compare to a full-sized vacuum when it comes to embedded dirt or larger particles. Long hair can also get tangled around the brush roll, which, while not a deal breaker, is something to keep in mind if you have long-haired pets or family members. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster stands out with its powerful suction, making light work of smaller messes, and the extra long crevice tool is a huge win for those hard-to-reach spots. It's lightweight and easy to handle, and the washable filter is a convenient feature. On the downside, the vacuum's battery life can be a limitation, especially when used at full power for longer periods. It's also not the best choice for larger debris or heavy-duty carpet cleaning, so if you have deep pile carpets or need something for heavy-duty jobs, you might want to look elsewhere. Additionally, the brush roll can struggle with pet hair, and the small dustbin means frequent emptying during longer cleaning sessions. In terms of value for money, the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster is a solid choice for anyone looking for a powerful, cordless handheld vacuum for quick and easy cleanups. It offers a good balance of power, versatility, and convenience. It's especially suited for small to medium homes, hard floors, or car interiors. However, if you need something for heavy-duty carpet cleaning or for dealing with larger messes, there are other models that might suit your needs better. When you compare it to other vacuums in this price range, like the Dyson handheld models or the Shark cordless handheld, it does well, but you'll find that some alternatives offer longer battery life or better hair pickup capabilities for a bit more money. The build quality feels sturdy with a solid design that should hold up well over time. The plastic feels durable, and the vacuum feels comfortable in hand. Maintenance is fairly straightforward, though you'll need to keep an eye on the filter and the brush roll to avoid clogging. For long-term reliability, based on BLACK+DECKER's general reputation, this model seems like it will perform well, but you should still be mindful of the filter and battery care to get the most out of it. When it comes to customer support, BLACK+DECKER has a solid reputation, and while I haven't had to contact them directly for this model, their customer service is known for being responsive and helpful when issues do arise. This vacuum is a good fit for anyone who needs a quick, efficient, and portable solution for light cleaning tasks. If you have mostly hard floors, a small to medium-sized home, or need something to clean your car interior, this could be the right choice. If you're looking for something that can handle more demanding tasks, like thick carpets or heavy-duty cleaning, it might be worth exploring other options. If you're enjoying the review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss an update on the latest and greatest in home cleaning tech. Thank you for watching. If you've used the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster, let us know in the comments how it's worked for you. As always, the product link is in the comments box below. We'll catch you next time, because, after all, the inside of your home deserves the best.